How do we yap max ourselves into $20,000 months? It's really simple. And I want to explain this to you, just explaining briefly my story. 3 years ago, I was actually trying to do SMMA, which is social media marketing agency. I was trying to create my own agency and I was trying to sell lead generation service to realtors in New York. The thing is, I was cold calling people like 100 to 200 dials every single day, Monday to Sunday, and I got, if anything, like one or two guys or two realtors interested. And guess how many people I closed in the span of 60 days? Just one person. This one person ended up dropping me after 15 days. And this is why the vehicle is so important. But before I explain the vehicle, what is yap maxing? Or yapping? It's just basically talking, right? It's just talking and talking and talking, just speaking a lot. Whether that's a video, whether that's a call, whatever. I'm gonna explain to you how I use yap maxing to get my way into $20,000. So first, we gotta understand the vehicle. That's really important. So what do I do and what is my vehicle? For me personally, that is closing, right? And why closing? What do we close? We're closing deals, we're selling. However, this is no regular selling, this is no pressure selling, this is no cold calling, this is no lead generation, this is no create your own business, BS, this is no your typical guru shit. This is actually closing deals that are high ticket, meaning $5,000, $10,000. And how do we make money? Because we commission based on percentages. And since we make 10% of everything we close in terms of cash collection. So if we close a $5,000 deal, how much are we making? We're making $500. If we close a $10,000 deal, how much are we making? We're making $1,000, right? So that's why it's worth it, because we can actually close deals in terms of high ticket sales in under 45 minutes. And since we close deals under 45 minutes, it makes it's stupid in terms of leverage for you to actually understand and master communication, which is another term for yapping. It's just communication. It's not that complicated, and I just want to call it yap maxing because it's popular, and I don't give a fuck. But at the end of the day, you guys gotta understand one thing here. If we are closing deals on a regular basis and we have 5 calls a day, and we close 2 of them for $5,000. That's $1,000 right there. And it's not that complicated to understand. That's how easy it is to actually get to those 20K months, right? And it's $20,000 months is glorified, but it's not really that complicated. A lot of my friends do that, and it's not even that hard because they understand that they have the right vehicle. They are mastering communication, which is yapping, and they are good closers because they have the proper good frameworks. So again, I used to do SMMA. Before that, I used to do drop shipping. I did trading for 4 years, and I'm 22 years old. I'm young. I started when I was 13 years old, my entrepreneurship journey. I started reading, learning, watching Grant Cardone, Ty Lopez, Iman Gatsi, Andrew Tate, obviously, so many different people, so many different influencers, until something actually clicked, something actually made sense, and something actually made me a lot of money. And that is, maxing. And it's not that difficult, guys. If you actually log in on this skill for the next 90 days, you could actually start making your first $1,000 a month, if you haven't. And you can make up to $5,000 a month within 3 months. And I want to be super realistic. I don't want to tell you guys, yeah, you're going to get to $20,000 a month in the next 30 days, because that's not true. It's possible for some people, but if you're a brand new beginner, and even so more, if you're not mastering communication yet, then it's not going to be realistic for you to do this within 30 days. And especially not $20,000 months within 30 days. It's going to take some time. It's going to take a couple months, but it's 100% worth it. I actually not want to push this narrative that closing is the best to get to $20,000 a month within 30 days, because that's not true. If an influencer or if somebody online tells you you're gonna get to $10,000 a month within a few weeks, it's not true, guys. Like, it's not true, it's just not. And again, I know people that have done it. I'm not saying it's not possible or that some people haven't. I'm just saying for the regular person, it's better to have a long-term projection of how long it's gonna take. But the thing is, the more you yap, the better you're gonna get at it, right? So you're gonna start like this, it's gonna be slow, right? But eventually, this is accumulative, meaning that you're gonna stack commission at every given point. It's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger, meaning that you're gonna go from 0, right, to the $20,000 plus. And again, if you are one of those people, and if you are anything like me, I was an introvert, I sucked at communication, I wasn't so good at it at all, then why wouldn't you? Like, at the end of the day, like, so many people neglect these type of opportunities and skills, which are traditional. Sales is a traditional thing. It's not a new thing. We're just doing it digital now. We're selling businesses to businesses. We're selling mentorships. We're selling AI. We're selling within the health industry. We're selling surgeries. We're selling everything that has a $5,000 ticket price and above, right? It's not that complicated, and it's definitely something that every single business in the world does. Just look at every company like Tesla. How do they sell their cars? That's a high ticket sell right there. The only problem is it's flawed. Just because they don't make 10% commission like we do, especially not under 45 minutes, especially not with 5 to 10 calls a day. So if you actually want to learn this skill, you just need to understand how to do it and how to get into it. And that's something that I definitely want to explain. I currently don't have the time. I'm actually running up late because I have a meeting that has $6,000 available. And I'm closing in behalf of the company selling a consultant service. So I'm gonna make around $500 to $600 in commission, depending on how much I actually close it for. If you guys are interested at all, or if you want some guidance in getting started like this, just send me a message on Instagram. And yeah, I'll give you some advice.